Frugal friends, welcome back to the recording corner. We are putting it together. We've got a lot more to do, but videos need to be recorded and we are going to be using this space. There's a few things though that we really need to fix or improve. Thank you, LETOUR, for sending us this rechargeable magnet-attached LED light. Frugal friends, the lighting outside can be wonderful. It can be wonderful. I can find the perfect spot and have fabulous lighting. Like, look at this. Great lighting. But I can't be recording out here all the time. It just doesn't work. Now, I can also get pretty decent lighting at certain times of the day here in the front room, which is where, for a long time, I have done my recording. But since James and the kids very graciously redid and finished the downstairs space for me to do recording and editing and crafting, I am doing my best to not use this space anymore. And this is until this spring or summer when we finally build the shed that I've already bought that's sitting out back and eventually fit it out, kit it out, and that will be where I do everything. Until then, we've got the space downstairs and we've got to make it work. There is an issue. Well, honestly, there's several issues, but let's talk about one in particular that we're really working hard to solve. Now listen, I love my little recording corner that I have down here. It is starting to come together. I am loving it, but there are definitely issues. For one, there is an air return. Look at my ongoing Lego project and all of my repairs. Anyway, there is, and all my wax. Oh, and stuff for making slime. Okay, focus. There is the air return right there, and it's noisy. I'm sure you can hear. And there is really limited light. I did get this one installed and put in better lights, but it's just not enough. Then we have this ring light. I've got these two Neewer lights. I also have two soft lights, and I'm going to eventually invest in some big, powerful box lights. But I can't afford that right now, and it's going to be a minute before I'm going to be able to do this kind of recording, the kind of recording that's going to happen in this corner. It's going to be a while before I'm able to do that out in the eventual studio shed. So hopefully today's product sent to us by LETOUR will be the answer to this problem, or at least, at the very least, it will help the situation. This is the LETOUR multifunction wireless LED rechargeable lamp. Oh, it's already on. Whoa. Oh, I pushed the button. Oh, look at that. It comes already charged. That is fantastic. So we've got the power button that I discovered right here. And there's 1, 2, 3 settings of brightness. And in this little corner, you know, we're going to be using the brightest. We have the charging cord. There is no brick adapter, which is a little bit frustrating. You guys know I love when they do include the brick, but that's okay. We will make it work. Let's check out the length of the cord. Something else that's very important to me. Well, it's not terribly long, but here's the thing. You're gonna take it down, I think. Yeah, it's got magnets. You're gonna take it down to charge it. Would it be nice if you could have it plugged in while it's up? Yes, definitely. That would be much better. But it is what it is. All right, so we also have a little wristlet thing, and then we have the sticky magnets, and these are gonna go on the ceiling so that this can attach to either side and provide some much needed light to my little cave down here. It's a little tricky with this weird texture that the people that lived here before us did on this ceiling. So I'm having to find smooth spots. Hopefully they'll be at the right distance for our light. Okay, hopefully we're good. We're gonna go ahead and test it, but you are supposed to let those adhere for a little while. So hopefully this doesn't fall on me because you are supposed to wait like 24 hours, but I need to get this done. So we're gonna give it a try. There's a link just for you in the video description. First, let's go ahead and turn it on. Woo! On its brightest setting, why the heck not? Here we go. Okay, nice and secure. Now, the test. All right, is it brighter? I will know when I am editing. based on what I'm seeing from here, yes, it is brighter. Is it going to be a helpful brightness? Yes. Not necessarily in recording, but in being able to see what I'm doing down here. I do think that is going to help significantly. Remains to be seen how much it will help in my recording, but it is still absolutely functional because I'm going to be able to see the stuff that I'm working on here at my standing desk. My goodness, it is much darker without that plugged in. All right, so when it does need to recharge, which right now it doesn't, but we've got to show you, when it does need to recharge, you're going to go ahead and plug it in to an existing brick in your house, or maybe you have those fancy plug outlets that include a USB. There you go. Now, she's charged. Frugal friends, thank you so much for watching this product review. I have several more coming, all different kinds of things, stuff that I think will help all of us, that will help me, that will help you, things that I think are worth your time and your hard-earned money. You know you're always going to get an honest, thorough review from the Frugal Mama, whether it's something that is sent to us or something that I purchase myself. Have a wonderful day. We will see you all real soon.